Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how I edit photos that I take through my phone. I actually wanted to do kind of a live session of me taking a photo and going through all the way through the steps, but unfortunately that was impossible, so we'll do this. So what I've done is I've got a photo here of my friend. This is the original copy. Of course, people who have an iPhone can see that in the top left corner it says portrait, but just to show you it's unedited, I can still change the depth. Now, this is very important to note. Once you edit any kind of photo taken on an iPhone in portrait mode through a third-party app, so VSCO, Facetune, Prime, this function that you have here ceases to exist. So I'm quite happy with the depth. I may move it back one. So this is what we're going to use. All right. Cool. So what I would now do, I'm happy with it. I think, like I said, it's very important to know is try and make sure that the first original photo you take in itself is fine. So as you can see by this photo, she could actually just upload it how it is. There's no need for any kind of additional editing or anything like that, and that's what I kind of had in mind when I took the photo. This was actually at a friend's beach house in Lagos last December. So what I'm going to do now is import it to VSCO, and then go into VSCO. Here it is, right? So again, there's a wide range of, presets that you can use. Obviously, these are the ones that you have to pay for. I'm not gonna pay for them because I don't particularly want to, and I'm kind of happy with the presets I want. So what I tend to do is use presets which darken the photo. So HB2. So as you can see, this is darken the photo, and from the offset, it has just made it much sharper, right? So this is what it looked like before. This is what it looks like now. Now, obviously, this filter is a bit too heavy, so I'm just going to reduce it a bit. And then what I will do is increase the contrast ever so slightly, which makes it a bit sharper, and it kind of brings out a bit more of the background. I also will take the exposure down ever so slightly, bringing it down to 2. I will sharpen it to usually about 1.8, so it's not too sharp. And there we go. That is everything that I would actually do to edit a photo. This is what it looked like before. This is what it looked like now. As you can see, it's so much more clearer, so much sharper, and that's all you really need to do, to be honest. You could do this with a wide range of presets. I think the best thing is to actually understand what kind of works well for you. Sometimes if I'm taking a face shot, a headshot or something of an object, I may use clarity to increase, but that's not something that I typically want to do with kind of portrait photos because they already are clear. So this is that. Back out, back, and there we go. There is the final piece. So literally try to keep that short as possible. If you have any additional questions, please give me a shout. But yeah, like I said, there you go. Easy peasy. And that is just using portrait mode that comes with your iPhone and VSCO. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any additional questions.